Hi. Have you ever had those mistakes in your practicing that just will not fix themselves? We've all been there, and it can kind of feel like running in a giant hamster wheel. Well, we're going to show you how you can change that right now. Let's start with the problem. Now let's see what goes on in your head when that happens. What should I have for lunch today? This coronavirus stuff sure is crazy. As you can see, we make the same mistakes because we're not thinking about it. Our minds are someplace else. So how do we fix that? Let me introduce you to a 4-step process. Step 1, identify the problem. Step 2, figure out how to fix it. Step 3, think about it before you get there. 4, repeat correctly many times. If you have trouble remembering that, just think IFTR or IFTR. Now let's go back to our example. Okay, step 1, identify the problem. Not playing the F sharp. 2, figure out how to fix it. Play the F sharp. Step 3, think about it before you get there. Alright, here we go. Gonna play the F sharp. Gonna play the F sharp. Gonna play the F sharp. It's gonna be great. Gonna play the F sharp. Oh, here it comes. I did it. Step 4, repeat correctly many times. Alright, here goes. And there you have it, a 4-step process to fix those pesky problems and make practicing just a little more fun. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. And for more tips, tricks, and hacks on all things getting better at playing the piano, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell below so that you get notifications about future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.